Hello friends, let's look at this problem which is AP. The sum of rupees 700 is to be used in 7 cash prizes. Okay, to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, okay, find the value of each of the price. So whenever there are terms which are increasing or decreasing, then you use AP. And in AP, the first term is represented as A, and the common difference is D. So therefore, if the first term is A, the second term will be D more than the first term. So, and D can be negative. Remember, D can be negative. So, either it will be more or less by the same amount. So, the first term will be D. In case D is negative, it will be less. In case D is positive, it will be more. So, the second term will be A plus D. The third term will be A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on. So thus, the nth term will be A, which is the first term, plus n minus 1, because it's n here, and into D is the common difference. This is what we saw. Okay, there's another formula which is Sn equals to n by 2. The, the second formula is n by 2, which is the sum. Sn, Sn, the sum of first n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here I can change that particular formula. There's another way of representing, which is n by 2 into, I split the 2a as a plus a. Now once I split that, this particular term becomes tn, as we can see the formula from here, which is the last term. So the n term. So this particular formula becomes n by 2 into first plus last. Depending on the scenario, you can use either form of this particular formula. So let us look at this particular, the sum that is given. So I'm assuming that the cost of the first prize be P. So therefore, the second prize is less. So it will be P minus 20. The third prize will be P minus 2 into 20, which is 2 into 20, which is 40. We can see that the cost of these prices is in the form of AP, and common difference is negative. As I said, that common difference can be negative. Therefore, we have 7 terms. So Sn is given as 700 using the formula, which is Sn equals to n by 2. This is the formula which is written here. We are using the same formula here, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now we substitute the values. Substitute the values. We know Sn is 700. Sn is 700. Then we know that the number of terms is 7. So 700 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d. So therefore, we can see we already know d as minus 20. We know d as minus 20. So it becomes 100 is equal to 2a. 100 equals to 2a plus 6, which is n minus 1. 6 into minus 20. Okay, the whole thing. 7 by 2. So 7 has gone that side. That's why it has become 100. So instead of 7, it will be 1 by 2. Okay, because I have divided both sides by 7. So when you solve this, you get A equals to 160. That means the first price was 160. What will be the second price? So T1 was 160. So obviously T2 will be equals to T1 minus 20. which is equals to 140, because the common difference is minus 20. So the second price will be 140, the third will be 120, fourth 100, fifth 80, sixth 60, and last is 70. If you add up, you will see that they all add up to 700, which is the total amount. Remember, students, that it is important to list every price, because they are asking in the question, they are asking in the question, inform, find the value of each of the prices. So don't miss listing all the prices. Don't miss listing all the prices. Thank you.